Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami flower, this 3D origami Poinsettia flower. It is a very beautiful model and I hope you like it. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe, rate and share my videos. And this is the first part. And in the second part, where I will finish the flower, we will make a pot for this Poinsettia flower. A very beautiful model, I hope you like it. This is the rectangular for large 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 32 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. The dimensions are 5.4 by 3.6 centimeters, and I use normal printed paper, 80 grams per square meter. And now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will find a detailed tutorial in the description of the video. And this is the 3D origami piece. Now you can see there is a huge difference between these two 3D origami pieces, and I will transform this. I use 6 pieces connected together in a row, put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with these pieces and the model will look very nice. I show you how I glue. I use paper solid stick glue and I put some glue inside the pockets and then connect with other pieces like this. I recommend you all to glue all the pieces, because without glue these pieces will fall apart. We connect pieces like this. We put 5 pieces in the first row and 4 pieces in the second row. And now we close the circle and complete the second row with 1 piece. And we have a very small 3D origami open base, 5 pieces in each row. Now we have 5 pieces in a row and we increase the number of pieces. We will double it. We increase to 10 pieces in a row. And for this we put 1 piece between 2 pieces from the previous row in this way. And then we put 2 pieces above. We increase again. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. And now we have 10 pieces in the last 2 rows. Next we put an entire red row, 10 normal pieces. And next we put another normal row, another 10 red normal pieces. Next we put 5 inverted pieces in this way. We put 1 here, Then we let two edges empty and put another one, and repeat, two edges empty and an inverted piece like this. And in total we put 5 inverted pieces like this. And this is the base for the first layer of my 3D Origami Poinsettia flower. Next we make the petal for the first layer of our flower, and we start with one piece like this, and then we put two pieces. We have here one empty pocket here and one in the other side. Then we put one piece in the middle and we increase. We put one piece in this edge, and then we put another piece in the other one here. And now we have 3 pieces in a row. We put 2 pieces above, and then we put one piece in these 2 first edges here, one piece in the middle, and again these 2 edges in one piece like this. Now we put 2 pieces in the middle and we increase again. We put one piece in this edge and another piece in the other one here, and we have 4 pieces in a row. Now we put 3 pieces above. We put one piece in these 2 edges, 2 pieces in the middle, and then again one piece in these 2 edges. Next we put 3 pieces like this, and then again these 2 pieces in one, these 2 edges in one piece, 2 pieces in the middle, and one here. Next we put 3 pieces and then 2 above like this. Now we put one piece in all these 3 edges here like this. One piece in the middle, and again all these 3 edges in one piece. Then we put 2 pieces above, and the last one. And this is the petal for the first layer. We need 5 petals exactly like this one. Next we have 5 petals and the first base, and we glue this petal here where we have these edges. We put one piece here, we push a little bit here, another one here, and we repeat. We let this piece free, and then another petal here, and now I glue all 5 petals together. Next we glue like this 5 pieces in the first row and 4 pieces in the second row. And now we close the circle and we complete the second row with one piece, and we have a very small 3D origami open base. Next we increase the number of pieces. We will double it from 5 to 10, and we put one piece here between two pieces from the previous row, and then we put two pieces above. Sorry. And we repeat this until we finish the row. And now we increase for the last time. And now we have 10 pieces in the last two rows. Next we put an entire red row, 10 normal red pieces. Next we increase again, and now we have 10 pieces and we increase to 15. And in the same way we put one piece here between two pieces from the previous row, and then we put two pieces above. Then we put one normal piece like this, and then we increase with one piece. One normal, and then increase. One normal, we increase again. One normal, and we increase for the last time. And the last normal piece. Now we have 15 pieces in the last two rows. For this moment this is the base. Maybe we will make some small adjustments, and next we start the petal for the second row. We glue like this 5 pieces. Then we put one in the middle and we increase. We put one piece in this edge and another piece in the other edge here. Then we put two pieces above and we increase again, one piece in this edge and one piece in this edge here. Next we put 3 pieces. Then we put one piece in these two edges, then 2 pieces in the middle, and again 2 pieces in these two edges. Now we put 3 pieces and we increase one piece here and another piece in this edge. Then we put 4 pieces above and then 3 pieces. Next we put all these 3 edges in one piece like this, and we repeat here again these 3 edges. And then we put 2 pieces in the middle. Now we put 3 pieces, then 2, and now we put one piece in these 3 edges, one piece in the middle, and again one piece in these edges. Then we put two pieces above and the last piece here. We will push a little bit to give a nice shape, and this is the petal for the second row of the flower. Now we have 5 petals and this base, and we glue each piece, each petal here where we put these inverted pieces, and we put like this, each piece in one of these pieces here. Another one here. Glue very well. And this is the second layer of our flower.